Saturday. This is what year? 2022. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, nice bright sunny day in Roseburg, Oregon. Dilly-dallied around. I really wanted to go out in the boat and messed around with my dry suit. And I really wanted a dry suit. And it's wasted. It's just too old. The sealant on the inside's like getting sticky. One of the booties was busted. I replaced the neck gasket on the dry top. It's a two-piece, and it just did not work out. I'm going to try and salvage the dry top. I just don't think it's going to work. Looking at dry suits, there's just nothing available. Everybody's out a couple months. It really sucks. But so I just decided, screw it. I'm just going to go out, take it easy, try not to fall in the water and die, and see how it goes. Heading down to Hess's Landing. Got the boat in. Strong's a little current. The current's a little bit strong. Guess I'm dyslexic today. Anyway, boat's in. Ready to rock. I was thinking about trying to put this on with a little bit of speed, see if I can run that up. I don't know if you can see the current there's pretty strong, so maybe I should try and angle it in downstream. See if that works. It's a little better. It's a narrow ramp, so I can't get too much of an angle. It looks like the left tire dropped a little bit, but it's a little further in, it looks like, or down. Let's see if I can pop it on there and make it happen. With those back two rollers, man, if they're underwater, I keep snagging on them. So it'd be nice to keep them above water and be able to get it on. Nothing else, I can get it close enough. Hopefully I can winch it in. I don't think that's too bad. Didn't quite come all the way. That river. I don't know if it's kind of, I don't think the video quite captures how big the river is right now, but ooh, it's been coming up still. Came down last night. It's kind of freaky at night, but I'd say this river is probably somewhere between 150 to 200 feet wide right here. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. It kind of looks about the same spot. About half the steps underwater. But no big logs. Yeah, this would be a little freaky in the boat. You know, just because of how fast it's moving. And you got to get all the way out to the edge, you know, before the current really gives it all. You know, it's like, got a nice little eddy in here, but 10 feet out, it's like current time. But yeah, I'd still like to get it out there. It'd be a kick. The big concern would be, you know, if you lost power, you'd shut down and couldn't restart. You know, because you just be heading for whatever's downstream, you know, and getting off to the side, it's like, yeah, there's no bank, you know, but it's pretty good roar from Burkhardt Rapids down there. I'm really curious what that looks like. It kind of sounds like at this level there's something big down there, but I'm thinking on the right side it's probably kind of washed out. So, but I don't know, we'll see where it's at this weekend. I want to try and head out again.